Welcome back. Yes, we are on using simple tricks in solving two-digit numbers by two digits up to 100. Yes, let's tackle the trial questions. I believe you've attempted them. So now, let's solve it. Then you can compare your answers. It's easy. Good. 12 multiplying 13, as I said. First digit multiplying first digit, second digit here multiplying second digits. Okay, so 1 times 1 will give us what? 1. Leave a space, right? Now, 2, because 2 is the what? 2 is the second digit here, and 3 is the second digit here. So 2 times 3 will give us 6. We are not done, right? Yes, there is a value here. How do we get it? That one is the other way around. The first digit here will multiply this second digit here. And the second digit here will multiply the first digit here. So here, the first digit is 1, right? And here, the second digit is 3. So 1 times 3 will give us what? 3. Good. Plus here, the second digit here is what? Is 2. And the first digit here is 1. Remember we said first digit will multiply the what? The second digit on the other side, and the second digit will multiply the what? The first digit. So here, 2 times 1 will give us what? 2. Good. So we have 3 and 2. So you sum them, which will give you what? 5 here. So it means the answer is 150 what? 6. What it means is that 12 times 13 will give it 156 using the simple tricks, right? Good. Now, let's look at the final one. 31 multiplying 11 using the same tricks. This multiplies that, right? I hope you got it. Your first digit will multiply the first digit here, then your second digit will multiply the second digit here. So here, 3 times 1, because this is the 1 is the first digit here, 1, 3 is the first digit here, which will give you a 3. You leave a space. The second digit here is what? 1, and the second digit here is also what? 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. We are not done. There is a value here. How do you get it? That is the other way around, right? The first digit will multiply second digit here, and this second digit will multiply the what? The first digit here. Then you sum them up. So here we have 3 times 1 will give us 3, plus 1 times 1 will give us what? 1. Good. So 3 plus 1 will give us what? 4. I told you you have to sum them, right? Good. So what it means that you have 341. What it means that 31 times 11 is 341. I hope you got that. You can compare that with your answers. If you did not, I'll urge you to watch the video over and over again. Good. And you will understand it. It's amazing. Maths is beautiful. This brings us to the end of today's lesson on solve math, and it was based on simple tricks in multiplying two-digit numbers by two digits. My name is GEOCAN, and I have and love math. Till we meet again, it's solve math, love math. Adios.